Hey y'all, I got some fresh flowers. So let's see how this looks inside. Unboxing flowers from 50 Flowers. Today is the 6th and this was sent out on the 2nd. Looks like FedEx dropped it off. Do not put in the cooler, open immediately. Magic of flowers. I'm 36. This is the first flowers that I've gotten, that I got from a delivered box. Ginger flowers! Oh, aren't these so pretty? Did you know that gingers have flowers? Wow, there's so many! Oh, so cool! These are so pretty. When they're blooming and they're in the jungles, they're gorgeous. There's so many! Will they last forever? Oh, it says product grown in Ecuador. I don't want to hurt you. It's still nice and cold. I'm surprised they last in this box just like this. There's no water thing for this area. Are there instructions? Like, do I put it in water? What do I do, guys? I wish there was instructions. Maybe it goes all the way, huh? Oh, cool. Here. Okay, so these are wrapped in like a moist thing. Oh, look at how vibrant this pink is. Don't they look like dragon skins? Kind of look like dragon fruits, don't they? Oh, so cute. I wish they wrapped these up, because this sure does feel and look a lot better than this. So cool. So yes, I'd like to know how to take care of these, because now I have a job to do to keep them lasting as long as I could. Do they smell like ginger at all? Because their root is like the spicy root, right? No, they don't smell like anything. Keep doing that. This is so cool. Thank you. I love them. And I don't really like flowers, like receiving flowers, getting flowers, just because it's just, I feel like they die and it's work for me and I'm hardly home. And I feel bad for them. But this here, super cool. Look at how pretty they are. Oh, ginger flowers. Yep. My favorite flowers, thank you. They're so cute. I have to find something to put it in and figure out, like, do I cut this and then put it in water? Like, what do I do? I don't know. There's no instructions. The box have instructions? Tell me what to do! Oh, it actually says it is from Ecuador. Sharing Jungle's magic since 1991. See, it just reminds me of like the jungle. Rainforest Alliance, people in nature. Cool, cool, cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's so pretty. Okay. So, does the other parts of the box have something? Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so I think just like any other flowers, we'd have to clip it and then put it in water, right? Right. So off I go. These are these are flowers from 50 flowers? 50 flowers. Awesome. Thank you. Look it. So pretty.